So again, I forgot to put my microphone on before I recorded this video, so the audio is a little dodgy. I apologize. And now let's get into it. So I've been hinting for a while that I've got a new project that I've been working on, or rather waiting to work on. This doesn't mean that I'm done with PS5 project. I'm just taking a little bit of a break for it because I've been excited to start on this one. So I picked up this little kit for probably $50, I think. Been about a year now, but I've been so focused on other projects that I haven't had a chance to work on it. It was fairly good collection of Sega Game Gear stuff. Tons of games with it, as you can see there. We've got a fully complete Game Gear. We've got the extended battery pack for it, so these guys with like clip on the back there, and you get extended power out of them. And then just the power brick and a few extra units as well. So the project for this is basically just going to be a restoration, give or take. So this guy, it doesn't function properly right now. It does power on, although I have no batteries in it. It does power on, but I get no backlight, no screen, so it needs a recap. Same deal with this sort of. The battery inside this guy is completely toasted. You get like 5 seconds of power out of it, and then it dies. So this one I'm going to be upgrading to a lithium battery pack inside of it. And this one I'm just going to do like a cleaning and restoration on. So I'll be taking you through how to recap it. I'll be using SMD caps for it, so not the standard for using standard caps for Game Gear, but they'll do the job just fine. I picked them up for my Game Boy Color recapping, which I'll also be making a video on. Yeah, this will be the next few projects. Pretty much all the parts for this are already here, so I'm ready to roll on it. Expect to see videos on this one starting in the next couple of weeks. I think I'm probably going to start with the battery pack, just because honestly it seems like the most fun for me, and then we'll do the recapping. I do have a second Game Gear that I can test this out with, so we can see that it all works. Alright, so look forward to these videos in the next couple of weeks. Bye guys. So one other note too, I didn't mention in the video, but I'll also be refurbishing the case. So you noticed in it that these two games fall out every time I open it up. It's because all the stitching is missing here. So it's got one big opening. I'll be fixing that, as well as cleaning up this case. I'll have to remove the hard piece in it, and I'm going to be cleaning up all of the fabric on it as well. So yeah, that'll be part of this upgrade as well. So you're probably looking at 3 videos. One for the power bank, one for the Game Gear, and one for the case. And until next time, remember, doesn't matter if you make or break, as long as you're having fun.